Spent the weekends of the last 5 months working on the biggest project I ever made. Now, meet the new studio of Mech-Dickel Robotics.
My previous workspace had the size of a very small storeroom. I thought the double of that size would be good. After many drawings and plans, I came to this design. A kind of shed with a modern twist, with that covered area for Sebastian. With all the plans done, it was time to get hands dirty. The base of the shed is a concrete slab. Made entirely by hand. To fill the entire area, I repeated this mixture 31 times, along 2 days of work. The structure of the walls was made with frames of pine wood. Till the end of that working morning, the structure of the walls was up. The roof structure was made of cedar wood. OSB panels were screwed in the walls and roof. With the structure done, it was time to install the thermal and waterproof insulating. And then the shingle tiles. Now let's make some cool robots.